और अस्मिता और कोई भी. This lady tells me that it is being recorded. You are Amit or Asha? Push from house number 11, Pushpak Vihar, Shantinagar, Bangalore. You are facing problems with irregular electricity supply and water facility. Put up a complaint to the society head explaining your problems and ask for a solution. Now the continuation will be from your end. It was stuck because of time inavailability. So from address without the name of the person as given at the subscription part. To address, yesterday it was supposed to be written. Head of the society, Pushpak Bihar. Uh, can this is head of the society. This looks formal. If we write it society's head, this becomes informal. So we must avoid giving apostrophe for certain posts. Society's head. We cannot write like that. It becomes very informal. That is why, to maintain the credibility of the person, always head of the society, letter of complaint, letter to the editor. We cannot say editor's letter, complaint letter. Usually, when we are conversing, we do use complaint letter. That's acceptable. When we are formalizing it, it becomes letter of complaint, letter to the editor. Likewise, the posts or the positions, head of the society. I hope you are clear with this. Second line, Pushpak spelling correction. Pushpak. Who is this? Anjali. Anjali, in the question I have written wrong spelling. Yesterday I was telling that itself. In because the sound should be sure, right, Anjali? And I had written here Puspak. Puspak. The pronunciation becomes little absurd. Yesterday I did correct it. Okay, okay. Here Asha is available with us. Asha Kamte. मोमिन अभी रेगुलर अटेंड कर रहे हैं क्लास. कुछ हुआ है तुम लोगों को? BCA, BCom as well. You people are joining the classes. कुछ हुआ है तुम लोगों को? कोविड से दूर रहने के लिए शायद क्लास का रेस्क्यू ले रहा हो. Subject line: complaining about irregular electricity supply and water facility. I would like to complain about the irregular electricity supply and water facility at Pushpak Vihar. We are living here since 6 months. So I expected a continuation wherein a few students gave me these lines. The major problem is most of the students are having online classes due to lockdown. Because of power fluctuation, students are not able to charge their devices on time, neither attend the class. We are facing a lot of problems due to these issues. With due respect, I would expect an early response to these problems. Before ending, any much more things to add here. I think 3 sentences we must add here. Please give your highlight so that we can continue with the third practice letter. Practice letter is intentional because if I send you homework, you'll give me different letters. But now when we are really indulging into these letters, these will come into your classwork as well as your ideas are expressed and corrected. We have to add water supply issue. Then where I need to add, Asha? Here, Asha, I would like to complain about the irregular. Here, complaining part is absolutely done. But when the continuation of the problem with the fluctuation of power added upon, that is what required. The letter should be complete as well. Because matters are two. Sometimes some letters do come with 2 factors of problem. तो उसको कैसे लिखें ये भी तो आइडिया चाहिए. तो कैसे मतलब क्या? एक प्रॉब्लम को डिटेली एक्सप्लेन करो, पहले हाईलाइट करो, फिर एक प्रॉब्लम को, फिर नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम को. दिस इज ऑलवेज segregated like this. So only the concern developed here for students. Any other problem with water power fluctuation? Any other problem? 47 in Sudanma. 47 ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇವತ್ತು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ. They did not even score half century, including me. 47. Yashu Sarvesh. Who is this Yashu Sarvesh? Is this the name? The name is from Bahubali movie. Waiting for your answer. Unmute yourself to answer. Let me hear your voice as well. Ma'am, it's Sarvesh. Okay, Sudanma. He has prefixed Yash behind his name. ಮಹೇಶ್ಮತಿ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯ ಲೇ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ ಗುದ್ರಲೆ ಇವನಿಗೆ ನನ್ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುಡಿಸ್ಬೇಡ ನೀ ಕಿರೀಟ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ ಮತ್ತ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡೋಗಿತ್ತೀನಿ. Add upon certain things which are pending, waiting for your reply. 4 squares. PC and become. Now half century with including me. 50. I should expect 70. Lazy boys and lazy girls respond fast, except Sudanma, all are lazier. Your answers. Add in summer, we are facing a lot of problem with electricity without fan. Ma'am, instead of since, there should be from. We are living here. Since is correct, Mokshat. Those issues, ma'am. Due to no power supply, we are not getting any kind of news. Okay, this can be added here. Sudanma, I can take the picture of attendance now. So then, if we go outside the area, because water supply, api nodili petrol, no petrol bunki kuntilla ivaga. Like, are you getting? This is in the society, dear. Now, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, if we imagine it is an apartment, Pushpak Vihar, society ಅದು ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ the number of people living there are facing all these problems. So very sensitive things we have to write here. One, the kitchen, because food is the main. Amale, when we started with this fluctuation, because a student has uprooted this line during lockdown, students depend on online classes. So keeping this idea, the other part of the sentence should pass on. So again, second thought, second thought or change in the thought process we cannot include here. This is a household problem happening here. It's not household now, because office work, kitchen work, both are going hand in hand. If you imagine at your home itself, under this lockdown, office work is morning hour, afternoon hour kitchen. So one who does all, both the work will understand it. Haphazard andra al ಅಸ್ತವ್ಯಸ್ತ ಆಗ್ತದ, ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿರಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಆಶಾ. Kitchen work also becomes haphazard. This leads to improper functioning of the home, of all the household household chores and office work. What do we call office work at home now? Work from home, right? Last line 2 times repeated. What is repeated, my dear? Last line allappi adana students hakidru, just to give a balancing effect adana alli hakobodu, illi paste ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. We may have to add these certain lines here or here. ನೀವು ಬರ್ದಿರೋ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು. ನೀವು ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಒನ್ ವೇ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Ma'am, last line and 2 times repeated. Acha, fine. Let me check it. ಇನ್ನು ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ಅದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಂಜಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಲು, ಅದನ್ನ ಮುಂದಿನ ನಾ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಅದ್ ಹೆಂಗದ ಹಂಗೆ ತಂದಿನ ಇವಾಗ. ದಿಸ್ ಲೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು, ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಏನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು, ಯು ಆರ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲು? This leads to improper functioning of all the household chores and work from home. Work from home. Can we abbreviate it? Students, can we abbreviate it? WFH. Work from home. Can we abbreviate it or no? Okay, Abhishek. ಮತ್ ಬರೀತಿ ಹಂಗ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ದ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಳ್ಸ ನಂಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಬರ್ದ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಳ್ಸು. ಬರ್ದ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸು. ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಎಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾ, ನಡು ನಡು ಯಾವ್ದನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ್ದನ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ನಡು ಹೈಫನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕೋ ಬೇಡವೋ, ಹೌದೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ? Confirm me. 55 students Sudanva. Innೊಂದು picture ತಗೋ. ಮಹಾರಥಿಗಳದಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ಸ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ಸ್. ಹೈಫನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕೋ ಬೇಡವೋ? ಹೈಫನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ಸುಷ್ಮಿತಾ, this leads to improper functioning of. Okay, Asha is telling yes. ಹೈಫನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರ ನಡು ಸ್ಪೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ಸ್. Thank you, Sudanma. Along with this, there is an added problem to the above one. We are not getting sufficient water supply. You're not getting sufficient water supply every day. This is going on from past 2 months. Students, a correction here. Numeric form cannot be used while we write sentences. So always number in words we have to write. This is going on from past 2 months. We conveyed this. ಕನ್ವೇಗ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗಕ್ಕ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸೋದು ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಪೊಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳೋದು ಕನ್ವೇಯಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಫಂಕ್ಷನಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. Saying for the first time what is being said, communicating it to the third person or the next one, the same thing is already conveyed. ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸೋದನ್ನೇ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಇವೆರಡು ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕನ್ವೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕನ್ವೇಡ್ ದಿಸ್ orally to you, but the problem was not resolved. ಲೆಟರ್ ನಾ ಬರಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಬರೀತಿರೋ. ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಕಾಯಬೇಕು. The taps remain dry most of the time, but by with this we can guess water scarcity is in our area. Asha, abhi idu hang baritirama? The taps remain dry most of the time. Most of the time, this cannot. Idu practically solve vichar ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. By this you can guess the. By this you can guess. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಇದರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಡೆದದ, ಹಿಂಗ ಆಗ್ತದ, ಇದರಿಂದ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟಗಳಾಗ್ತಾವ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಿಮ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬಂತು. ರಿಟರ್ನ್ is always धक्का देता है, my dear. As water pump run on electricity, we are not able to get water for daily. Yeah, claps to Sudanma. This boy really thinks. Baki, learn from him. Claps to Sudanma. We convert this orally to you. Sudanma, I have to place it here, and this cursor didn't come down. As water pump run on electricity, as water pumps Okay, ಒಂದೇ ಇಟ್ಟಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. ವಾಟರ್ ಪಂಪ್ಸ್ ರನ್ ಆನ್ electricity. ELECT. Electricity. Not able to get water for daily activities. For daily activities, plural agutta, because there is always more than one activity we are going to indulge. We are not able to get water for daily activities. We convert this orally. I'll cut this. I'll place it here. This is going on from past 2 months. Activities. Thank you, Sachin. Sachin in DP mastada. We conveyed this orally to you, but the problem was not resolved. We conveyed this orally to you, but the problem was not resolved. We are facing a lot of problems due to these issues. Then we can pen down this much. With due respect, I would expect an early response to these problems. Else, the other means to resolve this issue are available. Again, though we are, I hope the letter is sufficient. I am expecting done. A thumbs up for completing this letter. Let me arrange it. Now our letter looks pakka formal, because when we arrange the paragraphs from both the end, in your question paper also, Sudhanma, 57 are there attendance. In the question paper also, I'm sorry, in the answer paper, Sharan Bidri, ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೇಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚರಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಇವನಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. In your answer paper as well, your letter should appear spick, clean and neat. Yes, ma'am, I will send again. Yeah, Sudhanma, please, dear. Thank you. So, girls, shall we end up the letter? Kaveri, ಒಂದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಇವತ್ತು. ನಮ್ದು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನಾಗ ನಾನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪಿ ಕಾವೇರಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ. Thanking you, formalizing and telling the person, yes, you have read our letter, you have read our problem. Thank you for sparing the time. So, thanking you. Yours. What should be the subscription part? Asha, subscription ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಟ್ರೂಲಿಯೋ, ಫೇತ್ಫುಲಿಯೋ, ಸಿನ್ಸಿಯರ್ಲಿಯೋ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಸತ್ಯವಂತರು ನಾವು ಅಥವಾ ಬಹಳ ಒಬಿಡಿಯಂಟ್ ಅದೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಒಬಿಡಿಯಂಟ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು? ಟ್ರೂಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಫೇತ್ಫುಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಸುಧನ್ವಾ, ಸಿನ್ಸಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಜೋಶಿ, ನಾವು ಕಮಿಂಗ್. ಯಾ ಸಿನ್ಸಿಯರ್ಲಿ, ಫೇತ್ಫುಲಿ. ಯಾ ಸೌಜನ್ಯ, ಫೇತ್ಫುಲಿ ಹಾಕೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಫೇತ್ಫುಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸಿಕರು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಈ ಕೆಲಸನ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So we started this letter with Asha. Okay, Asha, as boys will end with Amit. I shall end it with Asha. Take a picture of it now. Take a screenshot and write it in your, you will be writing it once I send all the text. Take this whole picture of screenshot. In a screenshot, you take it so that it is resolved for me also. Last 10 minutes to go. Read the letter. Abhishek Sarwad, Odapi. Not Abhishek. Asha will read it. Our Asha is there. She has written the letter. Thank you, Sudanma. Asha Odapi, unmute yourself. Sushmita. Yes, madam. Asha, quickly. ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಬರೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಓದ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Not just here, during examination, during the test, whatever you pen down, whatever you want to write, always recheck once. Take that carefulness from yourself. You will become more attentive for your work. Asha, I would like to hear it quickly, dear. Asha, waiting. Asha, did you unmute yourself? Read the letter, Asha. She didn't
Yes,
even
ma'am.
understand. Yeah. Good.
I should start from first, ma'am.
No. Subject and the content.
Dear sir, I would like to complain about the irregular electricity supply and water facility at Pushpaka Vihar. We are living here since 6 months. The major problem is most of the students are having online classes due to lockdown. Because of power fluctuations, students are not able to charge their devices on time. Neither attend the classes. During this situation, we remain unconnected with the current affairs as the television and internet are the only means of entertainment and information. Kitchen work also becomes a haphazard. This leads to improper functioning of all the household chores and work from home
Course
tasks.
CHORS
Along
course.
course chores, okay, ma'am.
Yeah, my dear.
Along Along with this, there is an added problem to the above one. We are not getting a sufficient water supply every day. As the water pumps run on electricity, we are not able to get water for daily activities. This is going on from past 2 months. We conveyed this orally to you, but the problem was not resolved. We are facing a lot of problems due to these issues. With due respect, I would like to expect an early response to these problems, else the other means to resolve this issue are available. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Asha.
That's good. Haphazard anta ಓದಪ್ಪಿ ನಮ್ಮಿ. Haphazard.
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 Just normally haphazard ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay. Haphazard ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಅಸ್ತವ್ಯಸ್ತು. Ups and downs happening due to some problem. Clear?
Some issues. Yes.
Yeah. As well. Thank you, Asha. Now take down today's homework for you all. By 2 o'clock, you must send it to me. Practice letter 3 it is. Take down this. Write a letter to the local municipal head. That means our Bijapur problem it is. We all know this. We all complain about this. Yes or no, dear students? I always. So head complaining about the roads in Vijayapur. This will be your letter. You must be sending it. Who are present right now? 59 students are present. All 58 students must send it to me. Is that clear? Before you have your afternoon food, send it to me on our English group. Is that clear? Respond. 58, yes, I should read it here. Sushmita, Savitri, Asha, yes. Krishna, yes. 2 participants, no. Send yes. Saujanya, Panchal, raised hand. Send me fast. Sudanma, always, I am obliged always for you. Mokshit, yes. Abhishek, yes. Abhishek ಅಂತೂ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೆದು ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾನ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಹವಾ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿವ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಸರ್ವಾಡ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ಪೆ? ಕಾವೇರಿ, ಕಾವೇರಿ ನಾನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನಾಗ. ನಾನು ಮರ್ತ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿ ನೀನಲ್ಲಿ. ಶಿವಮ್, ಶಿವಮ್ ಏನು ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ನೀನು. ಅಪ್ಪ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ. ಕಾವೇರಿ ಆಡ್ ಮೀ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಆಶಾ ಎಲ್ಲಾರನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಪ್ಪಿ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರ ಜೀವಂತ ಅದಾರಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನಾಗ. ಯಾರ ಜೀವಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಹಾ ಅರ್ಫಾ, तुम लिख के भेजोगे यार, तुम तो बढ़िया हो. I told this boy a work and he has done it so nicely. Shivam, no ma'am, please. Supreet, yes. Kaveri Kakanki, yes. Matyar, yes. 15-7 ಆಯ್ತು already. Bye for the day. I'm relieving you 5 minutes before. Enjoy your breakfast and sit for second class with note making book. Not just for English, for all. Once you write it, tomorrow I will be writing and keeping it ready for our class. Bijapur road and hang repairing madbeku. I want to see all your troubles, all your queries, all your irritedness. 58 letters I must get by 2 o'clock. Bye for the day. I'm relieving you. Tata.